Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn from Flashcards' full guide. Begin by choosing a single topic and creating 50 to 100 cards you can review daily. Then sort cards into 3 piles: new, learning, and mastered, and set short focus sessions of 10 to 20 minutes to boost concentration and retention with spaced reviews and active recall. Use active recall and spaced repetition together for best results, and test yourself before flipping the card to force retrieval. Mix new cards with older ones at a steady pace. Track error cards for focused review. Use short daily bursts instead of marathon sessions to prevent fatigue, and gradually increase intervals as recall improves to cement knowledge into long-term memory. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can create more clear guides. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers while studying to save time and eat well between sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Enjoy the tip and grab a set if useful. Now let's get back to the video. Combine formats and tools based on your needs. Use apps to automate intervals or paper cards for hands-on review. Add images and short mnemonic cues to tricky items. Record yourself reading cards to create an auditory loop. Time sessions with a simple timer to keep focus, and regularly prune cards you consistently recall to keep your deck efficient and manageable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.